the future of GIS applications, unlocking limitless possibilities. Hey there, geospatial enthusiasts. Welcome back to 𝖊𝖘𝖙 School, your go-to channel for all things GIS and remote sensing. I'm 𝖊𝖍𝖐𝖓, and in today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of GIS applications and explore the limitless possibilities they hold for the future. So, let's get started. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, have come a long way since their inception. We've witnessed their immense potential in various fields, from urban planning and environmental management to emergency response and transportation. But what does the future hold for GIS applications? Let's find out. Picture this: a city that knows its residents' needs even before they express them. That's the power of GIS in smart city development. As urban areas grow more complex, GIS will play a vital role in managing resources efficiently, optimizing traffic patterns, monitoring air quality, and even predicting and mitigating the impact of natural disasters. By integrating real-time data from sensors and satellites, cities can become smarter, safer, and more sustainable. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is connecting devices worldwide, creating an interconnected web of data. GIS applications will play a crucial role in visualizing and analyzing this vast amount of geospatial information. Imagine a world where everything from cars and streetlights to household appliances and wearables is integrated with GIS. This integration will revolutionize our understanding of spatial relationships and allow for smarter decision-making. Augmented reality, or AR, has already made its mark in gaming and entertainment. But imagine its potential when combined with GIS. Soon, we'll be able to overlay real-time geospatial data onto our physical surroundings, providing valuable information at our fingertips. From navigation and tourism to urban planning and education, Arkansas-powered GIS applications will enhance our perception of the world and enable immersive experiences. The future of our planet relies on effective environmental conservation. GIS will be at the forefront of this battle, providing valuable insights into ecosystem health, climate change, and natural resource management. By leveraging GIS technology, we can better understand the intricate relationships between different elements of our environment, make informed decisions, and work towards a sustainable future. GIS has already proven its worth in health and humanitarian aid initiatives, but its future potential is even more promising. By integrating GIS with real-time health data, we can monitor disease outbreaks, predict their spread, and allocate resources efficiently. During emergencies and natural disasters, GIS can help plan evacuation routes, locate temporary shelters, and coordinate relief efforts. The future of healthcare and humanitarian aid will be empowered by GIS applications. The future of GIS applications is brimming with possibilities. From transforming our cities into smart and sustainable hubs to revolutionizing how we perceive and interact with our environment, GIS is set to shape our world in incredible ways. As technology continues to advance and new data sources emerge, we'll witness even more innovative uses for GIS in fields we can't yet imagine. And that's a wrap for today's video on the future of GIS applications. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of the possibilities that lie ahead. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow GIS enthusiasts. As always, thank you for watching 𝖊𝖘𝖙. Subscribe and ring the bell to stay tuned.